Hey, what's up guys? Johnny here from Rappolies. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to clean your cars using this product called TheShitAutoCare. This product, we use it to keep our wraps clean and keep it from oxidizing. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. So when we first start washing the car, we like to start off with the Eco Wash. And this car is matte dark gray. It really doesn't look dirty, but in a week time span, the dirt is sitting on there. So let me just give you an example. It's dirty. So when we clean it, I'm gonna do this door right here. You want to start off with giving it a good 2 sprays in the middle and then lightly misting over it. So 1, 2, and then just mist. And if you want to give it another pass, just flip the rag over, go over it again. Just to give you an example of how dirty the car is, you kind of see the different color right there. That's all dirt that it's picking up. What we're doing right now is called a waterless wash. The reason being is we're not using a hose to wet the whole car, so it's just a quick wipe down with this Eco Wash. The blue towel, you really couldn't tell how dirty the car is, so I grabbed this towel. This towel is not meant for the Eco Wash, but I want to use it to show you how dirty the car is. So I'm gonna do this panel right here. Start at the top. That's how dirty the towel is. Then I'm gonna go over it one more time. The thing really did its job. So yeah, this, even though it doesn't look dirty, it is dirty. So you want to wash your car every 10 days when you have a wrap on it. So that way the dirt doesn't oxidize the wrap, and a lot of the times the dirt will go inside of the wrap, and that's what you'll notice, like little brown spots on your wrap. So yeah, this is the best way to clean it. specific towel that you use, and the reason why is because you don't want to cross-contaminate the products that you're using, because one might be interior dressing or a tire shine, and you don't want to put that on your car. Now I'm going to use the window cleaner to clean the windows. Even though I washed it with Eco Wash, that just took off the dirt, but this is basically going to clean the windows for us. So let's give it just like that. Fine. Into the back. And then even open up the door and get the inside, because you can see that the inside is dirty. So 1, 2, I think that'll be good. Now that I showed you guys how to do one window, we'll put you guys on a quick time lapse and I'm gonna do all the windows. I cleaned the whole car with the Eco Wash and the windows with the window cleaner. I'm going to clean the rims with the quick detailer. So the quick detailer is going to give those rims the pop, and it also is going to give it a synthetic wax, so that way the dirt can just slide off of it. What you want to do is spray it. Alright. I have two brushes, one right here and one on the floor. One is to apply it and the other one is to take even out throughout the whole rim. You can tell, you can look at this tire, it's applied evenly through the whole tire, and you can look at that one. That one hasn't been touched with no tire dressing, and you can just tell the difference from how wet this is to how dry and dirty that one is. So I'm gonna apply it to this one as well. guys have it. I showed you guys how to wash this car from top to bottom using no water, just these products. And remember guys, I'm not a detailer, I wrap cars, but these are the products that we use to keep our cars clean here at Wrap Bullies.